I want to add user interactivity to the sorting. Right now I have a sort list function that takes a parameter, what should it sort by, name or type, and that then has two different compare functions to help it, sort by name and sort by type. And after having sorted the list, it calls display list, just like the filter list function did, same principle. So let's take a look at how we can do the user interactivity. Here we have, once again, I use data action, but now the data action is sort. I really like using these data action instead of classes or data anything. And then here I have the sort direction. We're not going to use that yet, but now it's prepared for it. And data sort, say what should it sort by. So I think I can do the same principles, selecting everything that has the data action sort. And if one of those are clicked, then it should look at the data sort and sort by that. So how did I do it with the data action filter? For each of them, it calls the select filter. I'm going to copy that directly and then say OK. We're going to do the same, but it's going to be data action sort. And for each of them, it's going to call a function that's called select sort. And if I look at the select filter, here I'm just giving myself a bit. I think I can copy. You know, I'm going to be lazy and copy it directly. And then select sort. And then it should not be filter, but it should be the sort, maybe the sort by. And that's the dataset, not the filter, but the sort. Dataset sort. And just say user select the sort by, and then of course not filter list, but sort list. So now I haven't really put any sort into it. I just copied what was in the filter thing. Let's try if it works. I still have the filtering. Yeah, that's fine. So what if I click the name? User selected name, and it even did the sorting. Did you see that? And I select the type, and it sorts. And description, of course, it cannot do that, and age it cannot do. So this was almost too easy, wasn't it? I think I can update my drawing. Here is my filter function across the display lists, and maybe here is my user click sort, that then with an event calls the select sort, that calls the sort by, or with the parameter sort by, calls the sort list, and then it also calls the display list after that. So they are completely alike, but doing different things. That was very, very easy, scarily easy. But before I do anything else, I better commit first. So first, let's check what is my status. I have my animals JSON I changed. I shouldn't really change that, so I'll just not add it to the commit. You know what? I'm going to revert it. Git revert the animals.json. Bad revision animals.json. I have never seen that error message before. It's because I didn't mean revert, I meant restore. Git restore animals.json. And then we should say git status. Now it's no longer changed. Git add script.js and commit. Add sorting for type and name with user interactivity. And I'm going to make another git for the plan. Git add and let's say we just updated the plan. Updated plan for sorting. It's not super important, but I like to change the whenever I have a commit with the plan and I commit the script itself, so just so I know what is going on. Now I think I'm ready to try my hand at a more generic sort function, but I'll just need a break before that because I think it's going to be a bit complicated.